Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to stop Spotify opening at startup when you open your Windows or start up your system. So how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify desktop version and you have to click on your profile, and in the profile you have to click on the settings. So once you will click on it, now scroll down and here you have to see the show advanced settings. So click on it. Once you will click on it, now here you will see open Spotify automatically after you log into the computer. So I have selected no, you have to select it no. So once you will do it, it will not start up when you start up your system. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.